What is going on, guys? This is Roberto Diaz. Today we're going to be unboxing the brand new EOS R5 from Canon. If you're brand new to this channel, please consider subscribing because I only have about 50 subscribers and it'd be nice if you guys actually subscribe to me because I work hard on these videos. Anyways, so let's get to it. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Wow. Oh, so beautiful. So here we get a warranty paperwork or something. We don't care about that, do we? No. Manuals. When's the last time somebody read a manual? I really can't remember. It had to be probably the GH5 because the menu system was so confusing that I legit had to check things on here. But Canon system is pretty self-explanatory, so we probably won't be needing this. Alrighty, what else do we get here? Cool. I saw this on the EOS R. I don't really know what it is, but if you guys know what it is, let me know. That'd be very great. And my favorite, USB-C cables. Who doesn't love these little things? I have like a million of them, and I always find myself picking up more because they're so cool. They're so useful, right? We have USB-C laptops. I'll put that back over here. Alrighty, what else do we got over here? Batteries. This is the brand new Canon LP dash something, right? So we're gonna check that out right now. Alrighty, so it says Canon. I don't know if you guys could see that. Basically the same thing. Yeah, I don't know, it just has a little sticker. I'm pretty sure it's the same thing. Canon, what are you doing? You just putting little stickers now on these? You're just calling them new batteries and you're just putting stickers, right? No, I'm kidding. The brand new LP-E6NH. So that's that. Little bag we won't ever use in our lives. Ooh, what is this? We know what this is. You know what this is. You guys know what this is. Little power adapter. This is the same one that comes included in the EOS R. You already know what that is. The original EOS R. Doom, doom, doom. All right, no. I have to tease you guys, you know. I have to play a little bit with it. Oh, that's a little flex. Not only do you have the EOS R, you got the R5. So now when you're wearing your little strap, everyone can know that you're the coolest videographer / photographer because you have the R5 little thingy here. Wow, Canon, thank you. Now we can really flex on everyone, letting them know we spent almost $5,000 on the camera body. Thank you, Canon. I don't really like wearing the straps. It makes me feel like a tourist or someone that just came from Europe. Anyway, whoa, why is it trying to come off itself? Alrighty. Time for the big boy. Time for the hanger. This is the big sauce, the thing we've all been waiting for. So let's be careful here. Down. This is pretty crappy packaging if you ask me. But I mean, we're not here for the packaging. That's loud. Would you look at that? Just look at that. It looks like a EOS R. It looks just like an EOS R. That's it. I'm kidding. It's actually a little bit heavier. It feels like if the EOS R had an older brother. The EOS R is like the keto version of the R5. It's slim, it's light, it's a little bit focused. It doesn't do everything great because it's out of balance. But the R5 eats healthy, eats a lot of protein, has muscle. It's basically the muscle version of the regular R. That's my best analogy I could come up with. Whoa, I think the screen is a little bit bigger too. That's beautiful. Wow. Let's put a battery. Do you charge them, Canon? I hope you charge this. If you didn't charge these, then that's different. Okay, so I don't think anyone's shown this. So they actually have like an HDMI port on the bottom. I haven't seen anyone talk about that. I need answers, guys. Where's that? What is that? What does it do? Wow. Would you look at that? We have an SD card and a CF 2.0, whatever it's called. Let's review some of the ports before we turn this thing on. I don't have nails, so it's kind of hard for me to ever... Maybe that's what this is for. Is that what this is for? Probably not. Nope. Okay, we'll use this. This is a good tool. I have a bad habit of biting my nails, guys, but I'm working on that. Let's just open up all the ports. We gotta see what we're getting, you guys. You're here to see what's this thing packing. All right, so here we got a 3.5 millimeter microphone jack, headphone jack, and then oh, this is different. So it looks like a little, is that flash? I'm not sure what that is. It looks like a flash, some kind of SDI baby. I don't know. Oh, the HDMI port. We got a micro HDMI. Why would you do that, Canon? And USB-C. So yeah, an HDMI micro, I believe. It's not a mini. I think it's a micro. It's a little bit smaller than the regular R, and a USB-C port as well. Cool. And let's just take a quick look at the sensor because, yeah. Wow, we can't even see it. Probably shouldn't look at it. Overall, it feels a lot sturdier. The ergonomics feel really great. It feels really good to hold. It feels a little bit heavier than the regular R, which I don't mind at all because it makes it feel a little bit tougher. It feels like it could handle a lot more, which I don't mind at all. Something I am seeing here, they took away the little touch dial thingy and they gave us back that little knob. I was the only person in the world that liked that little touch bar thing. It made the Canon EOS R actually feel like a brand new camera. It put it aside from other cameras because no one was doing something different. I actually like that Canon. Maybe I'll bring it back because I asked for it. Probably not. I'm not here to play PS4 or PS5. I don't really like the joystick. That's just my opinion. I know everyone else in the world loves the joystick except me. All right, so here it is. The first startup. Are we going to get some startup Mac OS screen saying welcome in a billion languages or hello? No? And Canon didn't charge the battery. Wow, thanks Canon. All right, so we had to get one of my batteries because Canon was being a little stingy. They couldn't charge them up. You see here, this is a regular EOS R LPE6N battery. So let's pop it in. So if you're wondering, you can use your regular 5D, all the Canon batteries, the same ones. And bam, wow. So let's set the date. 2020 has been a very interesting year. I think we're all excited for it to be gone. We got a lens. Let's check it out. The autofocus is so freaking fast. Wow. That is crazy. So right off the bat, wow. I only have an 85 able to use right now. But yeah, and let's check the beautiful menu. So let's switch here to video. Let's do manual. And let's change our, let's see our modes, video modes. Cool. So just verifying with, just making sure this model has 8K because, you know, who knows what Canon can pull out now. So yeah, indeed, we have 8K. The autofocus is just crazy. It feels like a very solid camera. I'm going to be comparing it against the Black Pocket Magic Cinema camera. No, I'm just kidding. A little dyslexic. You know what I'm talking about. Going to be comparing it alongside the R5, and we're going to be doing a bit of test and seeing, you know, what's going on, how is it, how does it compare. Hope you guys enjoyed this simple little unboxing, something soft. Hope you guys enjoy it. If there's anything you want to see on the R5, please let me know below and I'll make sure to do a video on that. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll be coming out with a lot more R5 content for you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.